It's been a long time on this channel, and I'm so happy to show my face once again here. It's been like over 5 months now that I have not posted any content, and I'm so sorry about that. It's because my business has been taking a whole lot of my time, but I hope to start being consistent once again. All right, yeah, so in this video today we're going to be talking about how AI is simplifying business, is simplifying side hustle. In fact, AI is simplifying every single thing that we do on the internet today, no matter what it is, whether it's internet marketing, whether it's e-commerce, whether it's graphic design, even programming. AI is helping us to get more things done in a shorter period of time. Right now, what am I trying to say? Every single day, different organizations, big organizations launch out different AI tools, AI models that will help entrepreneurs, that will help internet marketers do things the easier way. Now, it is your duty as an internet marketer, as a business owner, as a freelancer, to see these tools as tools that will help you achieve your tasks faster and not tools that will steal your job from you. Yes, irrespective of the fact that these tools are available for everybody worldwide, business owners alike, but that doesn't still mean that every business owner will learn how to use it. Some business owners are too busy to go learn how to use it. So what they will do is to pay people who will use these tools for them and give them the results that they desire. It's not every business owner that wants to cut costs like that at the detriment of their own time. As a business owner, you have a lot of things that you are doing. You have a lot of deals to close. Instead of using time to look for organizations to pitch your business to, you are looking for new AI tools to use and generate graphics for your business, when you can actually be paying a graphic designer to do that for your business. So you can see that it is not every business owner that is looking to cut you off because there is an AI tool that is achieving that same people that they can actually pay you for them. No, some of them still want to have you in their organization as long as you are doing well. So you don't need to see these AI tools as your competitors. No, you need to see them as tools that will help you serve more clients, help you make more money. Yeah, even in my own business as an e-commerce business owner right now, sometimes instead of me to pay graphic designers, I use ChatGPT and other AI design tools to generate art creative for my arts, and they convert very well. These are things that naturally I would have paid a graphic designer to do, or use Canva to do it. It might take me like 10 or 15 minutes to do it in Canva, but AI will do it for me in less than 2 minutes. So that's the reason why I'm trying to say that you should always find ways to use these AI tools to do what? To make your job easier and faster for you. Don't see them as a So what you should be asking yourself every day, which new AI tool can I use to make my work faster? Which new AI tool can I use to improve my delivery? Yeah, that's the things you should be asking. Not looking for the new AI tools that is about the new AI tool that is about to steal your job. No. Yes, I know that some people the new all this AI stuff is taking their job, but it's not for everybody. It is not for every business owner. So as long as it has not come for you, you don't need to be scared of it. Just look for how to use. Even as a content creator, AI is also helping creators to do what? To generate content ideas. It's helping them to generate scripts. It's helping them to generate titles. So you don't need to be scared of development. You should be scared of yourself if you are not ready to embrace technology. Take a look at Nokia. Nokia is nowhere to be found in the Android and smartphone industry again, because why? They refuse to embrace technology. So you don't need to be like Nokia. You have to always find ways to evolve. So that is what I just want to share with you guys today on this my new video, right? So basically, I'm going to try my possible best to keep being active once again on this channel, because I believe that I have a lot of things that I can share with you guys, my lovely, subscribers. You can learn from me, and also, use it in one or two ways to better your life. Do you like this video? If you do, let me know in the comment section. Did you learn anything new from this video? If you did, also let me know in the comment section. And if you want me to talk about anything relating to e-commerce, make money online, freelancing, and so on and so forth, you can always ask me in the comment section and I will answer you. All right, thank you very much. See you on my next video. Bye.